When it comes to video editing, having the right monitor can make all the difference. A great monitor enhances color accuracy, ensures crisp details, and provides a wide viewing area for your editing workspace. With the vast selection of monitors available, choosing the perfect one for your video editing needs can be overwhelming. However, there are a few key factors to keep in mind: color precision, resolution, screen size, and refresh rate. Monitors with high resolution and a broad color gamut are essential for editing in detail. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a hobbyist, finding the right monitor tailored to your editing workflow can elevate your creative process. In this guide, we've narrowed down the top 6 monitors that stand out for their performance and features, making them perfect for video editing. Number 1. ASUS ProArt Monitor. Video editing monitor. The ASUS ProArt Display PA278QV 27-inch monitor is a premium choice for video editors who prioritize color accuracy and clarity. Featuring a WQHD resolution, 2560 by 1440, it ensures sharp and detailed visuals, making it perfect for precise editing tasks. This monitor covers 100% of the sRGB and Rec.It 709 color gamuts, delivering vibrant and true-to-life colors for accurate video production. With factory-calibrated color accuracy and a delta E less than 2, the PA278QV guarantees reliable performance for professional work. The IPS panel provides wide viewing angles and consistent color reproduction, while the range of connectivity options, including DisplayPort, HDMI, DVI-D, and Mini-DP, ensures flexibility. Additionally, the ergonomic design with tilt, pivot, swivel, and height adjustability offers maximum comfort for long editing sessions, ideal for professionals who need the best in color precision. Number 2. Samsung LC32G5TQNXZA Video Editing Monitor. The Samsung 32-inch Odyssey G5 gaming monitor offers an immersive experience with its WQHD resolution, 2560 by 1440, and a 144 Hz refresh rate, delivering crisp visuals and smooth gameplay. The 1 millisecond response time ensures minimal lag, perfect for fast-paced gaming. Its 1000R curved screen creates an immersive panoramic effect, making it ideal for gaming or multimedia. Equipped with AMD FreeSync Premium, the monitor reduces screen tearing for smoother performance. HDR10 support enhances contrast and color, providing more vivid and realistic visuals. Connectivity options include HDMI and DisplayPort, ensuring versatile compatibility with your devices. With its sleek black design and advanced gaming features, this monitor offers an exceptional gaming experience with enhanced clarity and fluidity, making it an excellent choice for gamers. Number 3. Z-Edge UG30 Video Editing Monitor. The Z-Edge 30-inch 144 Hz 200 Hz curved gaming monitor is a high-performance display designed to elevate your gaming experience. With its ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio and 1080p resolution, this monitor provides a wide and detailed view, perfect for immersive gaming. The 1500R curved screen enhances the field of view, making you feel like you're in the middle of the action. Boasting a rapid 1 millisecond MPRT response time and up to a 200 Hz refresh rate, it ensures smooth, lag-free gameplay with minimal motion blur. The frameless and slim design adds a sleek, modern touch to your gaming setup. FreeSync compatibility eliminates screen tearing for a seamless visual experience. Offering HDMI and DisplayPort connectivity, along with VESA compatibility, it's the ideal choice for gamers looking for performance and an ultra-wide immersive display. Number 4. Sceptre C345B-QU T168 Video Editing Monitor. The Sceptre 34-inch curved ultra-wide WQHD monitor C345B-QU T168 offers an immersive viewing experience with its 3440 by 1440 resolution on a 1500R curved VA panel. Its 165 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time ensure smooth, lag-free gameplay, making it ideal for both gaming and professional use. With 99% sRGB color coverage, this monitor delivers vibrant and accurate colors for precise visual work. Dual DisplayPort and HDMI 2.0 ports provide versatile connectivity options, while the picture-by-picture feature enhances multitasking efficiency. The monitor's built-in speakers are adequate though not premium in quality. The stand offers limited tilt adjustments but lacks height adjustability, so users may prefer a separate monitor arm for optimal ergonomics. Overall, the Sceptre C345B-QUT168 offers excellent performance and value for an ultra-wide gaming and productivity setup. Number 5. Dell S2721QS Video Editing Monitor. The Dell S2721QS 27-inch 4K UHD monitor offers exceptional picture quality with its 3840 by 2160 resolution on an IPS panel, providing vibrant and sharp visuals. With 99% sRGB color coverage, it delivers accurate color reproduction, making it perfect for content creators, professionals, and casual users alike. The ultra-thin bezel design maximizes screen space, offering a clean and immersive viewing experience. The monitor supports AMD FreeSync technology, ensuring smooth, tear-free visuals during gaming or video playback. Connectivity options include HDMI and DisplayPort, while the VISA-certified design allows for easy mounting. The ergonomic stand features height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments for comfort during extended use. Additionally, Comfort View Plus reduces blue light emissions, promoting eye comfort for long hours of screen time. Number 6. KTC H33S117 Video Editing Monitor. The KTC 34-inch ultra-wide monitor H34S18S offers a stunning 165 Hz WQHD resolution, 3440 by 1440, delivering crisp, clear visuals ideal for gaming and multitasking. The 1500R curved screen enhances immersion, providing an expansive view for a more engaging experience. With HDR support, this monitor offers enhanced contrast and vibrant colors, perfect for both gaming and content creation. It is compatible with FreeSync and G-Sync, ensuring smooth, tear-free gameplay. Connectivity options include HDMI and DisplayPort, providing versatile compatibility with your devices. The VISA-compatible design allows easy mounting, while the ergonomic stand offers tilt, swivel, height, and pivot adjustments, allowing you to find the most comfortable viewing angle. This monitor combines performance, style, and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals.